everyone, it's me again. My name is ABK and I'm 7 years old. Today, I'm going to talk about activity lesson 101. So, are you ready? Let's go. So, do you remember what this is? Alright. And I think it's a globe. So, what does a globe show us? And the globe shows us the entire world. Now, let's see if we can find a country, the United States of America. Alright, are we there? No, because can't spin it. Are we there? Let's see. We are just a bit touching. And now we there that. Yes. So, as the United States of America is also called the USA. And let me teach you something new. So, as we can see, we got this round circle shape. I mean a sphere, right? So, what do you think? And we are in outer space and looking toward the, are we just looking at these pieces of land? Absolutely not. We're gonna see just like the Earth. We're gonna see the entire Earth, and it's gonna be spinning slowly. So, and then I go north. Then I go from the United States, go north up. I can see my neighbor. And our neighbor to our north is Canada. And if I was in the United States and I traveled the opposite way, which is the south, I will see Mexico. And if I travel right here, I will go right into the ocean. So to travel east, I will go to the ocean. And it's also the way the sun rises every morning. And if I go right to the west, I'm also going to the ocean, but I'll go into the Pacific Ocean. And if I go that way, then the sun will rise. That's the way the sun rises then each night. So, if I go to the United States, I'm not going to Canada. I go all the way up and get to the North Pole. And if I was here, I go all the way down I go. I will go to the South Pole. So, before we turn our books, I want to look at that new book. So here we got the whole world. So we see a country right here, a neighborhood to the north. But do you know why there's a United States here? Well, we have to find out in another lesson. Alright? So, let's start with a new book. So, a new book. Do you know what is our new book? And I'll show you our new book. Our new book is My America and My Home and My World. So, it is history, geography, computers. So let's open it. Alright, turn to page 2. We got some vocabulary words right here. America, country, beautiful, united. United means joined together, and the queen means special. So, let me tell you, this we are going to learn in the first lesson about my America, my home. So, this is the United States. I think it's the best country in the world. Each part of something makes it quaint, and each part makes it beautiful. What makes your part of the country beautiful? So I don't live in America. I live in Vietnam, and I live in the city. All right. So let's see. All right. I live right here, and I live in the city. And the thing that makes my city beautiful is the Hudson River and a lake, but it's a lake. Okay, and it makes my city beautiful. And they got lots of people, and that makes my city beautiful. But I don't know what's, and well, I don't remember, but yes, a tall building just like castle, and it's got a big of Vietnam on top, and I think that's made my country beautiful. All right. So, at the front of our book, we see the Liberty statue, and we also see our flag of America. 13 strap stands. All right. He starts stands for the first 13 stands, and 50 stars stands for a 50 stars stands for 50 states now. But the 13 stripes stands for the 13 first states. At first it has 13, and now 30, and now it has 50. That was they got many states. So okay, so as you can see, this has got a lot more 13, and then for first it was 13, and this will be 50. Woo! And it will be very, very long to count from 13 to 50, and we have to raise our fingers but we only have 10 fingers anyway. So we only know it has 13. First it had 13 states, and next it has 50 states. So when our designers made a map, they made it flipped out so you can see it. And maps are very important because they tell us the way to go. And there's also one thing that I want to tell you. compass. Compass. A compass tells the way north, west, east, south. It does a full direction. So when we want to go anywhere, we can use a map or a compass and it will tell us the way. So map and compass are very useful too. There's not kind of map in the world, but we know that this is a compass because a compass has 4 of these directions. M stands for north, E stands for east, W stands for west, and S stands for south. So now let's see. 50 stars stands for the 50 states now. And let's see what is the 50 states now. So let's see. Alright, here's the now we got 50 states. And we can see a star right here. It is the Washington DC. It's the capital city in the United States of America. All of this. And as we can see out of this picture, we can see Hawaii. So Hawaii is an island. We learned it from many lessons ago. Hawaii is an island. And it's also a warm place, and many people go swimming, diving there. Alaska, huh? Do you want to go to Alaska? I don't think I want to go to Alaska. It's very cold there because it's very near to the North Pole, everybody. And you see all the white right here? The white there stands for a lot of snow. I think it's the wind is cold, but let me go to an ice. Oh, snow ice is full of snow. What will we feel? I think it will be cold too. So don't be hot. We better bring something that make us hot, that will make us feel better, not. And so let's go back to Hawaii. So as I told you, in Hawaii it's warm and it's also an island. And I'll tell you, an island is a land that is surrounded by water. I think, and ours is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is all Hawaii Island. We better take a boat to another island, or we can swim, or else we can sometimes see sharks, and I don't like sharks. They're terrible. So, and do you know where the Liberty statue was came from? Francis was a gift, and now it's in New York. So it's in New York right here. It's very near to Washington, D.C., the capital city of the United States of America. We also have many more countries. We can see this Washington, but this is the capital. Now the one that has the star is the capital. The one that doesn't have the star is not the capital. So we have to what's currently. Do you see doesn't have a star. As you can see on Washington, we can see this a star. Put it in a circle, and then the line is all through the country. That means it's the capital city. And one country only have one capital city, not more, only one capital city. And that's the center. That's the center of our country. And everyone gets there, okay? So today we learned about the activity. And we learned all about our country. So goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.